Hi everyone, welcome back to another important session. So we were doing Indian Geography class through the MCQ questions. This is the fourth class and I hope these classes will be beneficial for your any exams. So watch the entire video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. The largest jute producing state in India is? Option number D is the right answer, West Bengal. Question number 2. India's place in milk production in the world is? India's place in milk production in the world is? Option number A, first. Question number 3. Who is known as the father of India's White Revolution? Option number A, Dr. Varghese Kurian. 4. In which of the following parts of India are the largest reserves of minerals resources found? Option number D, Southeast. Question number 5. The most mineralized rock system of India is? Option number B, Dharwad system. Question number 6. Biladila mines are related to which mineral? Option number A, iron ore. Question number 7. Khetri is famous for? Option number B, copper. Question number 8. Leading producers of bauxite in India are? Option number D, Odisha. Question number 9. Bauxite is an ore of? Option number B, aluminium. Question number 10. The only state with tin resources in India is? Option number A is the right answer, Chhattisgarh. Question number 11. Which of the following Indian state is the biggest producer of mica? Option number A is the right answer, Andhra Pradesh. 12. What is marble? Option number C, metamorphic rock. 13. Which state is the largest producer of coal in India? Largest producer of coal. Option number B, Jharkhand will be the correct answer. 14. The Korba coal field is located in? Option number B, Chhattisgarh is the right answer. 15. Growth of Chotanagpur industrial region is linked with the discovery of? Option number C, iron ore. 16. Jharia coal field is located in which of the following state? Option number C, Jharkhand. 17. Which state has the largest reserves of lignite coal? Option number D, Tamil Nadu. 18. The oldest oil field in India is? Option number D, Digbai, Assam. 19. The leading producers of petroleum in India is? Option number C, Rajasthan. 20. Ankleshwar is famous for? Option number A, petrol reserves. 21. The leading producer of manganese is India is? The leading producer of manganese in India is? Option number C, Madhya Pradesh is the right answer. 22. Quartzite is metamorphosed from. Option number C, sandstone. 23. Where are diamond mines in India? Option number C, Madhya Pradesh. 24. Jadugoda is famous for. Jadugoda is famous for. Option number D, uranium. 25. In India, monazite is found in. Option number D, Kerala. Question number 26. Which of the following state has monopoly in chromite production? Option number D, Odisha is the right answer. 27. The largest source of energy in India is. Option number C, coal is the right answer. 28. The super thermal electricity plant established by National Thermal Power Corporation in West Bengal is situated at NTPC. Option number D, Farakka is the right answer. 29. Ramagundam super thermal power station is located in. Option number A, Telangana will be the correct answer. 30. The thermal power plant of Bokaro is located in. Option number C, Jharkhand will be the right answer. 31. In which place was the first nuclear power station established in India? First nuclear power station. Option number C, Tarapur will be the correct answer. 32. Rampura, which became the first village in India to have its solar power plant, is situated in. Option number D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 33. Where is the hydroelectric station located? Option number A, Koyna. 34. The important metal used with iron to produce stainless steel. Important question. Option number B, chromium is the correct answer. 35. Bhilai steel plant is collaborative project of Indian government and which country? Option number A, Russia. 36. Rourkela steel plant gets its supplies of iron ore from which place? Option number A, Keonjhar is the right answer. 37. Steel Authority of India was established in the year. SAI, Steel Authority of India, was established in the year. Option number C, 1973. 38. In which of the following area first cotton textile factory had begun in 1818? Option number A, Fort Gloucester in West Bengal. 39. Where is located the largest center of petrochemical production? Where is located the largest center of petrochemical production? Option number A, Jamnagar is the correct answer. 40. The Indian Rice Research Institute is located in. Option number A, Cuttack is the right answer. 41. The Central Institute of Arid Horticulture is situated at. Option number C, Bikaner, Rajasthan. 42. The Indian Institute of Pulses Research is located at. Option number C, Kanpur is the right answer. Question number 43. Which is the longest national highway of India? Option number D, National Highway 44. Question number 44, National Highway number 2 passes through. Option number D, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Question number 45, Golden Quadrilateral Project of India joins. Option number A is the right answer, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. 46, the meeting town of North-South and East-West corridor superhighway is. Option number D, Jhansi is the right answer. 47, India's deepest landlocked and well-protected port is. Option number D, Visakhapatnam. 48, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? One side is railway zone and their headquarters. Not correctly matched. Option number B, Southeastern Railway. Southeastern Railway, its headquarters is located in Kolkata, not in Bhubaneswar. Okay. So the option number B is the right answer. 49, which port is the largest container port of India? Which port is the largest container port in India? Option number B is the right answer, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 50, which among the following has the largest shipyard in India? Option number B, Cochin is the right answer. 51, Kandla Port is located on. Option number D, Gulf of Kutch. 52, which of the following is the longest waterway of the country? Option number D, Allahabad to Haldia. 53, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option number D, Jaisalmer is not the city of lakes. City of lakes is Udaipur, Rajasthan. Okay. Jaipur, Pink City, correct. Ujjain, city of Mahakal, correct. Kolkata, city of joy is correct. Okay. Question number 54. The first nuclear reactor of India is named. Option number A, Apsara. 55. The biggest port in India is. This is the last question. And the option number B is the right answer, Mumbai. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.